What's up everybody? How's it going? Welcome back to the Ride Dad channel, or welcome to the Ride Dad channel. If you are new, my name is Chris. This is my 2020 Harley Davidson Lowrider S. Today, I'm going to be installing the high Bung King crash bar. For those of you that don't know, there's three variations that will fit this style of bike. There's the low, which is the original one, kind of obviously as the name implies goes low. There's the double one, which has a low one, a smaller low one, and then a longer high one, and then this one, which is just the higher long one. So very easy. It comes with everything you need. Basically take the mid controls off, put this out of the frame, in of the controls, and then the mount that the brake reservoir is on, the master cylinder for the rear brake, you'll take that mount off and put that on over the bar, and then two screws above or the top of the frame right here that the top rests on, and that's about it. So let's roll the intro and then let's put this sucker on.
Riding down a YouTube channel, it's the Riding Down a YouTube channel, it's the Riding Down a YouTube channel, it's the Riding Down a
And that's it. Took maybe 20-30 minutes tops, and that's with filming. If I wasn't filming, probably maybe 10 to 15 minutes. It is kind of annoying to try to get everything positioned just right because you have limited area to work with, especially if you don't want to touch the paint. Looking back on it now, it would have been beneficial to put some sort of towel or protectant on the front fender just in case I were to hit anything on it or drop the bar on it. Thankfully I didn't do that, but learn from my mistakes. I am 5'8", 5'9"-ish, and I can comfortably put my feet up and use this as a sort of highway peg. Is this going to be comfortable for the long haul? I'm not sure. I have some grip tape, like skateboard deck tape, that I'm going to put on this, and I'll see if it doesn't look good, I'll probably take it off, but if it looks good, I'll put it on there, and then I'll be able to use it as highway pegs without my feet slipping off. And you know what? It's a sticker basically, so if I don't like it, I can always take it off. Pretty easy install. Hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you have this. I've seen a lot of the low ones and a lot of the double ones. I've not seen anyone in person run the high one or really any videos about it. So I actually really like the way it looks. It doesn't get anywhere in the way of mid controls or anything like that. It seems pretty sturdy. The hardware they supply you with is grade 8, which is very nice to see. And I think that's gonna wrap it up for this video, guys. Until the next one, ride safe, have fun. Dad out.